6 vital things women wish men do more during sex. 1. Building sexual anticipation. Most men make this one big mistake when they want to have sex. Fired up with their hormones, they rush into intercourse. They don't spend time building sexual anticipation because they think intercourse is all about vaginal penetration. They want to get into action as fast as possible. But here is one thing men don't understand. Women are different from men when it comes to time of being turned on for sex. They need more time. If a woman isn't turned on and excited about sex, no amount of penetration is going to make her to climax. The only way she can be turned on is when you take it slow. Spend time kissing her, caressing her body, touching her all over, or maybe throwing in some dirty talks. A woman wants you to invest a good chunk of time into foreplay. 2. Leadership and dominance. Most men are not aware of how much women still want you to lead them in the bedroom. If you are with a woman in a sexual situation, give her directions, tell her things to do. Kiss my neck, roll over, spread your legs. And when you say it like you mean it. Say it with conviction, with a strong unwavering voice, like you know what you want. 3. Physical control. Apart from showing your dominance verbally, most women like it when a guy exerts some physical dominance over them. This doesn't mean rough sex or other penetration. Physical dominance is more about how you handle your body throughout your time with her. It's about being a bit rough and showing your strength. And depending on the woman you are with, this is going to mean different things. Some women like to be spanked. Some like it when their hair is pulled a little bit. You can move her around or pick her up and lift her when you want to change positions. Of course, not all women will do these things. If your woman says she is not okay with it, maybe because it hurts her physically or because she is not used to doing it, then it's off the table. That said, more often than not, women love some kind of physical dominance in their bedroom. In fact, some women will ask for it. Start slow, see how she reacts, then continue if you get the green light. 4. Put your insecurity to rest. Just like men want to feel they are great in bed, women want it too. They want to know that you are having a great time having sex with them, that you are enjoying yourself. And the best way to make her know is to tell her. You need to communicate. Tell her how much you are enjoying sex with her. Tell her how much she turns you on. She wants to see your raw sexual desire for her. She wants you to appreciate her body and tell her how sexy you think she is. This will make her feel amazing because all women crave that feeling of being desired. It's a great turn on for them on a primal level. If a lady is with you and she is not getting any form of external reinforcement or validation from you, she might become unsure about herself, and this will distract her from the pleasure itself. Don't be silent. Show your desire and appreciation. You don't have to verbalize it. Just hearing you moan and grunt is enough to let her know that you are having a good time with her. 5. Finger stimulation. Do you know that over 80% of women do not have orgasm from intercourse alone? Penetration is not nearly as exciting or arousing to women as you may think. In a world of pornography, they may make you think that nothing else matters besides penetration. But in reality, women need more than penetration to enjoy sex. They need that extra help from your hands to get maximum pleasure. Get down on her. Put your fingers to work. Use your fingers to stimulate the G-spot and clitoris. This is not just recommended, but it is crucial if you want to give your woman that best sexual experience of her life. Here is the thing. Women take about 15 to 20 minutes to reach climax, but the average man can only last around 5 to 7 minutes to reach climax during penetrative sex. This means you have to do other things to make up for that time, else you will be done in 5 minutes and she'll be disappointed. So the last thing women wish men do more during sex is giving full attention. During intercourse, a woman wants you to be there with her 100%. She wants your attention, not just in flesh, but mentally as well. A lot of guys are absent and distracted during sex. and this turns women off. Why? Sex isn't just about physical pleasure, it's about sharing an intimate emotional connection, and there can't be an emotional connection when you are not fully present. Here's another thing about being present. If you are fully attentive, you can easily notice how the woman responds to the things you do to her. You can easily tell what she loves and what she doesn't like. And this is crucial information that most women do not want to verbalize it. It's something you have to notice by yourself. And when you do figure it out, then you can simply do more of what she enjoys most. Meaning, you get to always keep her satisfied sexually. Now my final words on this. Most men complain that women are complex. And since most women are not open to sexual discussions, it might be a big challenge to know what she actually wants in bed. And this creates sexual anxiety in most men. In addition to all the tips I've given you, the best way to understand what your woman wants in bed is to pay attention to how she responds to what you do. That if she is comfortable talking about what she wants, then just ask her about it. If you've watched this video up to this point, I just want to say thank you. Please leave a like, comment your thoughts, and see you in the next video. Please do well to subscribe. You are welcome.